In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install IPTV on VLC Player. Firstly, download and install VLC Media Player from their official website. Purchase or obtain your IPTV subscriptions. You'll receive an M3U URL. This is your playlist link. Now launch VLC Media Player. On the top menu, click Media, then select Open Network Stream. In the Open Media window, confirm network is selected, then pass your M3U URL in the field provided. Just click play to load the stream. Once your stream starts, press Ctrl+L to open the playlist. This allows you to browse and switch between available IPTV channels. You can now enjoy live TV, movies and sports directly from your PC with VLC. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.